I'm here to enjoy.
I'm not scared.
I only did this for the fun.
They're not even a camp, they're a campus. Mr. Morris are the same.
876 Streets, that's what we're doing. Live, no.
Big up 876 Streets every time.
Yeah, so this morning went phenomenal. We set the track record, which is a big achievement. I know my dad's set a lot of track records at Dover in the past. So to now have it, the fastest lap ever at Dover, it's a big accomplishment and very happy about it. Yes, second race meet. Didn't really get that much practice for this one. Didn't have enough tires. And yeah, to go out there and go 5 seconds faster than the time we were practicing at, it's something else. I mean, you're using your instinct at 1:15.3. You're not even seeing very well. You're driving off of instinct, and you have a lot of trust in the car when you're doing these kind of times. And yeah, that's what gets the lap done.
It's going to be the fastest the car's ever been.
Well, yeah, so you have to believe me when I talk now, I guess. It is the fastest. Going into the last race, however, we have a gearbox problem, so we don't expect to go and win. In the second race, it wasn't selecting gears. We used about 2 or 3 gears for the whole race. So in this last race, I mean, Kyle, Greg, and them, they haven't used a lot of tires today because they got into a couple of accidents. So they should have fresh tires, and they probably will end up taking this race. But I mean, to come away with two wins already and the lap record, I mean, can't ask for more. And we're going to give it, if we even have 2 gears, we're going to give it all, you know, we're not, it doesn't matter at this point, we're just going to send it. Yeah, I was coming in and Kyle was on his hot lap. It was of no intention of mine to slow him up, which I accidentally did. Like I got in the way, I apologized for it, and yeah, we move on. Like it wasn't intentional at all. Like I set a good lap, and obviously I'm not scared of competition. I would have loved him to set a good lap as well. So sorry about that, and I hope next race meet that won't ever happen again. You know.
Do you think it was deliberate?
Right there.
Definitely not intentional. I wouldn't do that to any driver, even if I hated them. Next meet, I mean, just consistency. We're leading the championship by quite a far margin now, and for me it's just finishing all of the next races and winning the championship. Like I said in my interview the other day, it's consistency that wins the championships, it's staying out of accidents, it's driving very positively that wins the championships, and that's the goal. everyone look out for the Radical Caribbean Championship that I'll be racing in next week Sunday in Barbados, Bushley Park. So that's our next big step, another big learning curve. I'm racing against some of the best in the Caribbean that have driven numerous times at that track, and yeah, we're going to go there and do our best and represent Jamaica to the fullest, you know. When I get the link, I'll share. I'm sure there is going to be a link. I mean, it's a pretty classified event with a lot of media, and it will be a big event, which I'm sure everyone can go on YouTube or something and find and watch. So yeah, hoping to go there and maybe set the lap record, you know.
Hello y'all, my name is Raymond Rousseau. I'm the principal of Bearings and Accessories Limited. The company that we represent, Q8 Oil, which is what Senna Summerbell runs on. And we came on board with Senna for the first race meet this year. It has been a great pleasure for us to do so because Senna is a wonderful young man and a fantastic race car driver. He's doing the product brand very proud at this point in time, so we're very happy about that. Q8 is an oil that the virgin oil comes out of the country of Kuwait, as the name suggests, which is an Arab nation, very low in sulfur and a high quality oil. It's blended in Belgium, imported out of Europe, and we've been distributing this oil in Jamaica for over 5 years, and I'm looking forward to it catching on, becoming a household name. And it's primarily an industrial oil, but we have now moved into the automotive end of the oil importation as well. So I'm looking forward to big things.
Big thanks to Q8 Oils. I know they've been here all day. I mean, everyone I look at is wearing their cap. And like I said, this race car runs on Q8 Oils, the best oil you can get. For anyone who's asking for a secret why this car is so fast, it's the oil. Definitely the oil. Obviously Tropical Battery's been there from I'm a kid. They were here today, came out full support. And lastly, my new sponsor, Catherine Speak. There's no better beverage to have at the end of the race, you know. The best water brand in Jamaica, you know. So big thanks to my sponsors, Bell Safety, my dad, and Bell Safety, the S Hotel, who lets all my crew stay there. It's big thanks to everyone, you know.
All right, Senna, all the best.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching another video production of 876 Streets. Subscribing to our channel definitely means a lot to us. Thanks for your continuous support.